What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be going over how to pull a keyword list for e-commerce, for search engine optimization, and for pay-per-click advertising, like through Google Ads, really. So really how we can kind of say, how do we target people through Google and find the absolute best keywords and give them the best possible user experience? So we have a page created for all of these different categories. So with AI, it's actually gotten a lot easier to do this. This used to take me almost all day to set this up. But basically what we can do is I am using the Google Keyword Planner. I am doing this for Golf Galaxy. No, Golf Galaxy did not ask me to do this, unfortunately. They are not a real client. But basically what you would have to do is do this for all of these different categories here. I specifically pulled drivers just because there's a lot of different types of drivers. And the thing that we want to do is we want to find, okay, here are keywords related to golf drivers. This is almost 2,700 keywords. I did the same thing in Answer the Public. This gives you a little bit different types of keywords because you get questions, propositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, somewhat similar to Google Keyword Planner. I think this ended up giving me over 2,000 keywords as well, almost 3,000 keywords. So I just exported this. This is a paid tool. I pay $9 a month for this. It's honestly one of the best $9 you can spend because you have all these AI model type things you can target and different questions you can target. It's actually a really good tool. The other one, Google Keyword Planner, pull from your favorite keyword research tool. If you have more extensive ones, great. If not, you don't need all of the data. You really just need all of these seed keywords. So what we want to do next is we want to say, let's go to our good pal Claude. So Claude.ai, you could use Gemini, you could use ChatGPT, use whichever AI tool you like. I think Claude is the best at doing this, so I would recommend Claude. But basically, I want to create the most extensive and most organized keyword grouping of all time. Now, the idea behind this is if somebody, and I actually have it listed here, if somebody is to type in lefty golf drivers, I want a page on my website, lefty golf drivers. So I want a page specifically for that, and they likely have it. So flex, special features, sale, I don't even know if they do. But basically, it's going to give an idea. Like I could go back to Golf Galaxy and say, hey, here's some opportunities for you. You can create additional page. Okay, they do have left hand. You can create additional pages on your website for people that are searching for these specific products. So this is one of the things that you want to do. And it could come down to even like you don't have to put all of these pages in your menu. You could just have these pages created. So I have left hand here. We have, and theirs probably just create dynamically. So you go left hand, women's, and basically you have a page on your website now where you can send traffic to, and this page should theoretically also rank in Google. So coming over to Claude, I want to create the most extensive and most organized keyword grouping of all time for golf drivers and other driver related keywords. My goal is to essentially build every possible ad group for a keyword that we can target so we can come up with a list of every single page. I don't know why I capitalized page. I need to create Google ads, lefty golf drivers, women's lefty golf drivers, white women's golf drivers, righty men's golf drivers, etc. And for my SEO strategy, please group certain keywords together where it makes the most sense. These are all my current drivers for sale. And I copied and pasted just a copy and paste of the drivers that we had for sale. So they actually had 2 pages of them. So if we go over here, they could do 144 per page. We have 231 total drivers. I say we as if I'm actually working for them. But we'll come to the bottom. We'll have to go to page 2. It's a pretty long thing. And now we have all of the different drivers. So like if they have Mizuno drivers, Ping drivers, all of these different categories that we can target. Now, the other thing is individual product names. If you do like Surfside ZXI driver, you could target that keyword and send people to this page. Within Google, you can use dynamic ads and it's supposed to do that for you. So that's one of the things you can do, but setting it up manually will give you better results. Honestly, it's just going to end up performing better. So golf driver, these are all my current drivers for sale. We'll copy and paste that. So we have 2 things here for all the golf drivers on our website. We have our basic instructions, just basically, I could have probably just put here, create me a bunch of Google ads ad groups based on all these keywords, all categories, keyword stats, and let's see what Claude comes up with. Okay, here's what we got. We got a master keyword grouping. So we ended up with 124 total ad groups. It's actually more than I thought. A highest volume ad group. So we have a bunch of information here. So we could actually open this. Okay, and this is something you could quickly send to a client. We did this in about 5 minutes. Total keywords analyzed, total ad groups pages. The hard part is implementing all this, obviously, but what you're going to see is we have ad group page name, suggested URL slug. They have number of keywords actually within these different categories, total monthly searches, top keyword volume, top keywords. You could probably break this down even further if you really wanted to. Here are all keywords. And then as you go through, this is every keyword in every single ad group. So Callaway Epic Max drivers, we have every possible keyword that we can see there. Now, some of these you might say, maybe I'll just keep Epic Max in there, and that could be something that you do yourself. The way Google's changed, you really could just do it this way and say, okay, I'll send people to this page. So if you actually do create these with the actual suggested page slug, or you upload all of your pages, I've done that before too, they'll actually give you the page here. So this will basically build a Google Ads campaign for you. It's also helped you build essentially an SEO strategy, because you could say, okay, what pages don't we have on our website? Do we have a page for all of our 10.5 degree golf drivers for sale? Yes, we do. Okay, let's create a 9 degree. Do we have adjustable? Do we have anti-slice? None of these are really going to hurt. If you create these additional pages, it's not going to hurt to have them, because ultimately you're just giving people a better experience. From a Google Ads perspective, this is already happening with Performance Max and with dynamic search ads, but creating a search campaign like this is going to give you the best results. So if we go into all of these, you're going to find all of the different categories we have. This is honestly just really, really crazy how quick we could do this, but how you can easily create an SEO and PPC keyword list. Really just start and you're like, this seems like a little bit much, but the companies that actually take the time to say, okay, we're going to go and we're going to optimize our drivers, all of our drivers pages. And by creating all of these pages, then Golf Galaxy has a much better chance of ranking high, especially because they have so many different drivers for sale. Within all of these, there's probably a ton of different customizations. So even 231 products, there's probably a lot of variations that you can have between shaft and different types of loft and grip options and all the different types of things that you have with each individual driver. But this is a great way for an e-commerce to say, these are all the different product pages that we need to create. From an actual content perspective, you could actually go through this and say, here is the ultimate guide to tailor-made drivers. And now you have all of the main tailor-made drivers, the popular ones. Some of these might be a little bit old, so you might say, hey, these are old drivers, but now you can actually link out to all of these different pages. For your main tailor-made drivers golf page, you'll have all of these different things listed. So basically the thought behind this is, we create a tailor-made golf drivers page. They already have that. So if we go over to our brands, we click on tailor-made. Within that, each of these individual pages, like men's tailor-made drivers, women's tailor-made drivers, and now we have all of these keywords we can target. The other thing you can do alongside of this is create content pages. So have a page of content basically saying everything you need to know about the different tailor-made drivers. So what is the tailor-made Sim 2 Max driver? Who is that for? Who needs it? Why does somebody need a $650 driver? Well, maybe you're really rich, but ultimately it's one of those that, you're just trying to build all the different things people are typing about and then representing that on your own website. And then from a Google Ads perspective, now you can kind of say, okay, people are typing in most forgiving driver. We can create an SEO content page on our website of here are the 10 most forgiving drivers of 2026. So let's just see what ranks. The other thing we could do is we can create a page on our website of forgiving drivers. You could literally create that on your website and have a category and put the same 10 right in there. So if we scroll down, this is what I like to do. So Reddit, today's golfers, most forgiving drivers 2026. So between going through these keywords and saying, okay, there are some here that we can create content about. This is actually where I really like Answer the Public, because you can kind of say under AI models, how to choose a golf driver for distance. So there's two different things you could do here. You could say how to basically set your golf driver up to give you maximum distance. And then also, what are the 10 best drivers to get you more distance, and how to choose between those two. Affordable drivers with good forgiveness. So these all make up really good content ideas. Content can be linked to your e-commerce pages, can help lift your SEO traffic. Now, the other thing is in your individual product pages, you could actually create an ad group to say tailor-made Sim 2 Max driver. Okay. On search, we send people to this page. We have an advertisement for it. We create a really organized campaign. So this is how you can quickly and effectively do e-commerce keyword research. Just basically repeat the process. So if you're going to do Golf Galaxy, you basically go into the golf clubs and you say, okay, I'm going to do this for drivers, fairway woods, hybrids, irons and iron sets, driving and utility irons, wedges, putters. So you could really do it for all of these. Even down to like grips, shafts, and tools, you could basically say, I need every variation of grip that people are searching. And again, it goes back to content. Golf grips. What are the best putting golf grips? What are the best golf grips for distance? So you kind of can come up with all the different content that you need to create. You can see how long it takes to create really great content and a really organized website. They have a really good setup here. So it's swing grip size, grip type, different brands. Probably the most popular thing is going to be brand searches, pricing, but there's probably things in here that there's probably additional categories they can add. I know from the driver's side, there's probably 10 different things they could add to the left-hand side that would help with them. But this will be a good starting point for any company that's looking to pull some SEO, some PPC keywords. If you're an e-commerce company, it could be very useful for Google Ads and for your SEO strategy. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section. Really simple prompts. I want to create the most organized and extensive keyword grouping of all time. And they mapped them to 124 total different ad groups. So if we created a driver campaign with 124 ad groups, it'd be a pretty impressive search campaign to work alongside our shopping and performance max. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.